Hello friends, today we are here to introduce an advanced tool for Forex traders, provided by the Tradingfinder group. The Forex Holidays Calendar tool is a special tool for checking the scheduled holidays of 95 banks in different countries, and by using this calendar, we can examine the holidays of various countries. By clicking on this section, we can also access the Tradingfinder income calendar, and at the top of this section, we can use the Forex Holidays calendar to select the desired date and view the holidays of different countries. Here, or by clicking on the search section, we can search for the desired country. Here, you can see the date, the amount of time remaining until the holiday event, and the name of the country, which changes with the week. The event date also changes for us. Forex traders can use this tool to be informed about the holidays of financial markets and shares in 95 different countries such as the USA, the UK, and China. Well, friends, we have reached the basics of teaching this tool. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.